Welcome to Artistic Adventures by Rosie, where we explore the wonders of art in nature. Today, I will guide you through the enchanting process of drawing a Jal Pari, a mystical water fairy. Right on the surface of the water, dip your brush into the water, letting its ripples inspire your strokes with each delicate movement. Feel the connection between your creativity and ever flowing essence of the water. As you draw, imagine the Jal Pari emerging from the depths, its ethereal form dancing gracefully across the canvas of liquid blue. Let your imagination take flight and allow the water to guide your hand. Notice how the water responds to your touch, blending and shaping the colors into a mesmerizing reflection of your being. Embrace the fluidity of the medium, letting go of control and surrendering to the natural flow. Remember, in the realm of art, every stroke tells a story and every creation is a journey into the unknown. Immerse yourself in the journey of creation and let the beauty of artistic adventures inspire your own odyssey. Join us on a captivating voyage as Rosie unveils the secrets behind the mesmerizing art drawing. With every stroke of the pencil, witness the transformation from a blank canvas to a portrait of unparalleled beauty. Explore the delicate balance between precision and emotion as Rosie expertly crafts each art, infusing life and soul into her creation. And there you have it, a Jal Pari brought to life on the canvas of paper. Until next time, keep exploring, keep creating, and let your artistic spirit soar. Thank you very much.